Hi, this is Bob at Abbeon. Today I'd like to introduce you to our Munsch brand Mini-Xtruder. This is a plastic welding extruder with a lot of unique features. For one unique feature, it's one of the few that has a centered handle. This allows me to weld with one hand while I'm holding the part with my other hand. It's only 7.5 pounds, which makes it lightweight, easy to use welder. And it's also got a specially designed auger screw, so it does many more types of plastics than most of the extruders on the market. So with this, for example, I can weld PVC or even nylon. Of course, when you're welding PVC, you still want to purge out the PVC with like a polypropylene after every use. Another unique feature is the tip itself, the shoe or the tip. This is, you'll see, round and narrower than a lot of the block type tips that are out there. This allows you to get into hard to reach places and corners and things like that. Comes in this nice carrying case, and it's one of the top quality welders in the market. With that, we're going to now show you our instructional video on how to use the welder. Thank you.
The machine comes with the stand, spare Teflon shoe, preheat nozzles, and tools. Swivel the center support of the stand to either side and place the gun on the stand. The MiniX will sit at any angle, making it easy to grab. To change out the preheat nozzle, loosen the set screw and pull the nozzle out. Use pliers if the machine has been running. To remove the shoe, loosen the screws on either side. The buttons for the controls are located on the back of the machine with the display on top. Plug it into a 110-volt power supply. The display menu will light up. Select the welding material you'll use by pressing the down and up arrows. Press the check button to confirm your choice. Use the down arrow to select the material temperature. Adjust with the up and down arrows. Press the check button. Use the up arrow to select the air temperature. Adjust with the up and down arrows. Press the check button. The lower left corner of the display shows the number of seconds before you can activate the drive motor and begin welding. To cool down the gun, push the back arrow button for the main menu. Welding rod feeds into the extruder through a small hole just behind the barrel on the right side. Once inserted, squeeze the trigger to pull the rod in. The trigger lock button is located down on the handle. Push to lock the trigger in place. To unlock, squeeze the trigger once. Before welding, prep your material using a scraper. Wipe away any excess. To hold the material in place, you may want to tack it together first using a quick L or other hot air tool. Lay down a steady bead of plastic as you move the extruder along the welding path in the direction of the preheat. After the weld, make sure to cool down the machine. Thank you for using Munsch's Mini-X.